Yeah, anyway, we'll call this 26 November part 2. Working on these extension cords. Already fixed one. Here's one that had a bad female end. And of course you got your outer wrap. It's red and black. And then you got your inner core of wires. Your common, your power, and your ground. Now, it's kind of difficult to slit this outer wrap and not nick one of the inner wires. Here's a trick. This little razor knife, it's a snap blade knife. You can adjust the end, trying to get this thing to focus right, so it just slits the outer wrap. Of course, you know, it slides. Okay, so you can adjust it so it just slits the outer wrap and does not nick your inner wires. Kind of handy. And this looks to be about a 50-foot cord. I just fixed a 25-foot. I use these Leviton clamshell type repair ends. They're pretty stout. I've had real good luck with them. This is a 15 amp, kind of standard. You got your female, and you get males too. They're not super expensive. I'm sure you can get them on Amazon. I got these at one of the local big box stores. And the reason this is part 2, the former employee from my company showed up. Talk and talk and talk and talk and talk and talk some more. I finally asked him, now, is there a point to this conversation? So I'm not trying to be rude, but I got things I need to do. Well, you know, I walked off the job after a few days, and I just want to explain to you why. I said, okay, if you're trying to apologize, your apology's accepted, but I really got things I need to do. I said, if you're looking for a job, go up to the office on Monday. I'm sure I'll put you back on the pay. They will put you back on the payroll. No, not looking for a job. Homeless, unemployed, don't want to work. Welcome to America. Don't need to work. Welcome to America. Absolutely disgusting. So anyway, my computer guy came by. We stopped and chatted with him for about an hour. Built this little shelf for my security monitoring system. Get it off this old wood shelf. Haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with these things. When I built them, I did a pretty poor job. So, I don't know. I got all those 2x4s I pulled out. Maybe I can reinforce them and square them back up. But, gotta do something with them. They're butt ugly. I do need a shelf for my coffee pot. I got these little rolling carts I still have to put together too. Might do something, one of them for the coffee pot, and store my battery charger on it, that kind of stuff. I'm talking about the big 12-volt battery charger, little tool chargers. I'll probably make a shelf for them right here in this area. Same style as that shelf, close to the receptacles, so they can be plugged in, or get a power strip. You can plug in 4 or 5 on a power strip. They don't pull any amps. This south wall is leaking like a damn sieve. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's between the block and the slab. The doors are not leaking, just now the wall's leaking. So I gotta address that too. And again, this is a man cave slash welding fab shop. It's not a house, but I prefer not to have it leaking. This north wall, it did just fine. Got a few seeps between the block and the slab, but no leaks. And this south wall should be leaking. Roof leaks. I'm waiting for it to stop raining so I can get up there and We got some special sealant for roofs. Slather that stuff on. Should be able to stop them pretty easy. Can't really see them, but I can measure where they are, and from the measurements, locate where I need to patch. I go about a foot either side of where I think they are. They'll catch it. And fairly quiet up here. I really enjoy coming up here. Beats sitting at the house watching stupid crap on TV. That's all that's on TV nowadays is stupid crap. Went and checked on my Harleys today. The Ultra, all I gotta do is a test ride and it's ready. Cool. And my lowrider, they finally looked at it, said, "You don't have any active codes or stored codes." I said, "I know that. I already checked that. That's why it's up here." Well, we've got to get a hold of Harley and see what's going on because we can't figure out why the check engine light's on. I said, "Well, get a hold of Harley. Let me know." No, I don't know. But everything's coming along. I just piddle. I ain't got no deadline. I can enjoy my days. The weather's real pretty today. It stopped raining finally, and overcast. Almost got partly sunny, but then more clouds blew in. Anyway, I go back to fixing my extension cords. It's going to save me probably $50 for just a few ends. They were cheap. Let me get back to that. I'll check with y'all later. That's all for this one. Thank you.